How to log in to Fiverr account. So if you want to log in to Fiverr account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And then on the search bar, search for Fiverr. And after searching, click on the first search which says www.fiverr.com. And now to log in or to sign in, you can simply click on sign in, which is here. But if you didn't get this page after opening, you can go to sign in, which is on the upper right corner of the website. And now you will get this one, and you can continue with your email or username to sign in, or if you have created your account with your Google, then you can continue with Google. For now, I'll be choosing email. And after that, you have to first enter your email address or your username, and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option on the bottom side of the password. You can click on that, and then you can reset your password by receiving a code through your email. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password. And after entering your email or username, and after entering your password, you have to click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you sign in or log into your Fiverr account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.